ma Homa Bay Moses Kajwang kone Gavanas mawuok e county ma Kaluo mondo oyie bede gi luoro e kindgi kaka yore geng'o tulo kod chwero remo manyalo bedo e gwenge ma Kaluo motelo ne yiero ma higa 2027. Kajwang oloso bang' ka Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo ne omonji tich abich e boma ma Homa Bay, monj mane weyo ka rowere ariyo mane ni e kweth Orengo yudo hinyruok malich. Seneta Kajwang nowuoyo e kanisa dwen ma Waondo kama ne otene kod Gavana ma Migori Ochila Yako mane oseyo Orengo ma owacho ni nyiso achaya ne Gavanas wetene e counties ma Kaluo.
Necessary political antagonism. Let us focus on delivering for our counties, delivering for devolution. And it makes no sense when we are fighting amongst ourselves. I want to urge governors, please take care of your counties. And that is why we are fighting to increase the money that goes to counties, because we believe in devolution. And we have disagreed with the National Assembly, Governor, you know, because we feel that counties should get more money. When we give counties more money, then we expect our governors to use that money to develop their respective backyards, not to use that money for political tourism.
This is the time where you engage authority, not on the basis of gender, sex, age. You engage authority on the basis of substance. So it is quite inappropriate and out of order to engage or demean a leader because of her age, because of her gender, because of such things that do not align or do not people do not think that they are considerations for positions of leadership.